Transforming your daily fill-up into savings is as simple as swiping your Exxon Mobil Rewards card. Let's dive into how to effortlessly use your Exxon Mobil Rewards card right at the pump for your fuel purchases. First, approach the fuel dispenser and look for the designated card slot. It's usually clearly marked. Gently insert your Exxon Mobil Rewards card into the reader, just like you would with any other credit or debit card. The pump screen will then guide you. You'll likely see options related to payment and potentially rewards. Select the option to use your Exxon Mobil Rewards card for payment. Once your card is recognized, you'll proceed to select your desired fuel grade A circumflex euros, regular, premium, or diesel, depending on your vehicle's needs. After confirming your fuel selection, the pump will authorize your transaction based on your rewards card then. Simply begin to fuel your vehicle as usual. As the fuel fills your tank, the transaction is being processed, and any applicable rewards or savings are automatically applied. Once you're done fueling, you'll receive a receipt. This receipt will clearly show the fuel purchased, the total cost, and importantly, any rewards or discounts you've redeemed. This ensures you can easily track your savings and see the direct benefit of using your Exxon Mobil Rewards card. It's a smooth and efficient way to get rewarded with every stop at the pump.